Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the Lotus temple. Number 1. The Lotus temple is a famous place where Baha'i people go to worship. Number 2. It is located in New Delhi, India. Number 3. It is known for its distinctive lotus-shaped design. Number 4. It has won numerous architectural awards. Number 5. It is surrounded by lush green gardens. Number 6. Lotus temple was designed by the Iranian architect Fariborz Shahbaz. Number 7. Many people visit to see it. Number 8. People take pictures near it. Number 9. It is closed on Mondays. Number 10. The temple has become an iconic landmark in New Delhi. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.